We're in the Hyatt Regency in New Brunswick, New Jersey. And back here, we have a couple of ThyssenKrupp hydraulic elevators. Yeah, trying to talk over that music. I think these are installed in 2013, or these used to be Dovers that were modded in 2013. These are car numbers 6 and 7. Motor room right here. There's the parking garage. There's the MPE. Got this one. Yes, there's Big Brother watching us. Head street. It's a ThyssenKrupp. Here we go. All these are parking garage levels. Here are 3,000 pounds, elevator number 7. There's the parking garage. Ring the bell. B. Door close button works. These were definitely Dovers. Nice elevator. Probably had traditional. There are fixtures. Mad BS Moon Classic, I think. Hands-free 88 code compliant phone, which is state of 4. Elevator number 7, 3,000 pound capacity. No smoking. Red Acme indicator. ThyssenKrupp elevator edition. Sure. Re-leveled a little bit. There's the motor room. There it goes, and that's it.